welcome back to the Fly Dudes vlog. Driving around the depths of Montana. Came up to visit with the little bro. What's up? Targeting some large rainbow trout in some Stillwaters up here. We're trying to catch some fish before all these lakes freeze over completely. So stay tuned, we'll see what we can get into. So we're on location out here in the middle of nowhere, Montana. Pretty place. Cool little lake. There's Caleb.
What's up?
Gotten into a couple fish so far, but didn't really have a chance to get any like video or images of them. So we're still fishing. Should be doing pretty well here in a second, though. Stay tuned. Let's
like a local thing.
Yeah, let's see your rig real quick.
I just got like a 4.5 foot rig with a brown balance leech with a red collar.
That's the secret right there.
Absolutely slays them out here.
Just about everywhere, honestly. Most Stillwaters you can fish a midge and a leech and usually do pretty well. Waiting for a nibble.
They'll bite soon.
You get any bites yet? Lake fishing really isn't all that hard. You really don't even have to hold on to your fly rod much.
Just pick it up when you see that bobber go down.
Fishing, same thing, like a brown balance leech, purple midge. Got the loop Opti dry fly and a Cross SX. 10-foot 5-weight, by far my favorite lake rod. But here, we should be able to get some fish here in a second. Got a good fish on here. Pretty hefty bow. Feel it, mate.
Oh yeah, good fish.
On that same balance leech. Wow, that's a pretty fish, man. Look at those spots.
Oh yeah.
That's insane. Right in the tip of the lip. Right there. Sweet. Oh! He's out of here.
There you go.
Sick. That's a sweet fish, buddy. Look at that thing. Beautiful.
Brown leech.
Brown leech under the endo.
Top
About 3.5 feet deep. Alright, put him in the water. There he goes. Sweet. Some wildlife videography. Beautiful. Go, seagull, go. Beautiful. I tried for about an hour and a half today to get a video of Caleb hooking up to a fish, and legitimately every single time, oh god. So we're on a fish right here. Let's see how we can play this. Set that right there. That is super sketchy. Alright, what's that? Ridiculous. That's a good fish. That's ironic. Complaining about not being able to get video of an eat. That's rad. Cool fish. So as you guys saw, I was complaining about not being able to get a fish to eat while I'm recording, and then I hook a fish while I'm recording by myself while Caleb's around the corner. Caleb comes over after the fact. And yeah, so that was ironic. But it's getting a little late. We've spent a good bit of the day here. Caught a couple good fish and had a good time. It's been kind of slow for this particular area. Kev, how many fish do you usually catch here when you come?
Like 25.
25?
Usually in a day, about 25, and they're all from 18 to 24 inches. Usually rainbows. Haven't caught a brown out of here yet. But
Soon.
no, there's browns in here. But yeah, today's pretty slow. We each, or
I
you
probably
like
caught at least. I probably caught at least 10, dude.
Yeah, 10. I've only caught like 2 or 3. So it's a
I
lot
mean,
slower than it usually is.
it's Caleb's zone, but you see who the real, true angler is of the family. You know what I mean?
No, not at all. Shut up. Alright, yeah, seriously though, Stillwaters aren't as intimidating as most people would think, and there's basically 2 flies that you can take out to any Stillwater lake, and that's a chironomid or a leech, any color, brown, olive, black, wine.
What's your favorite leech pattern?
My favorite leech pattern is actually a balanced leech, and they're super simple to tie. You can either get a 90-degree or 60-degree jig hook. Senyo's laser dub actually, just to dub the bodies, and so this one's on a 90-degree, and you need to buy some pins from like Hobby Lobby or whatever, whatever craft store you have, and then tie the pin on and stick a bead on there and let it stick out a little bit from where that eye of the hook is, and it sits perfectly like that in the water, like most of the leeches in the water will. So good profile that the fish will recognize, and I mean, it absolutely just picks up fish like 5 to 1 compared to a straight up and down leech.
Presentation is king.
Yeah, presentation is definitely something big on Stillwaters, and this balanced leech is killer. On any Stillwater. Brown is always safe to go with.
Yeah. If you guys can't tell, we grew up together, fishing lakes together and doing that together, and we both like to think that our best knowledge base that we have in fly fishing is in lakes and knowing how to pick them apart. So a big portion of these videos I think will be geared towards lakes, because we know it better than most people do, just because we've spent so much time on it, and it's a big thing that fly fishermen find intimidating, and we would like, to see some more people out here. And the biggest fish you're going to be catching, whether you're catching them in the river or not, are probably lake run fish and fish that live in lakes. So what we'll do is kind of go over how you can catch them. If targeting a spawning fish is something that you're not ethically okay with, we're going to teach you guys how to target them in the lakes when they're at their prime, when they're at their fattest, and when they're just grubbing food. So it's been a good day. Caught some fish. Seagull's grubbing on some bread. Not from us. Old Caleb may have slipped it in there. But we're going to head out of here. This will conclude vlog number 2. Stay tuned next week. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe on YouTube at the Fly Dudes. Go up somewhere new every single week. Fish with someone new, learn from them. Okay, what did we learn from you this week?
We learned how to fish, man.
You taught us how to fish, huh?
Yeah. How to get you back in the
zone. Oh, how to get me back in the zone. Yeah. Okay, that's my bad.
You were a little sloppy, but
I'm sloppy in general.
You're ready after this past couple days. You're ready to go anywhere.
What about tarpon?
Oh yeah, I think this set you up pretty good for that. Just sitting here, Stillwater on the shore. Pretty similar.
With 6-pound test and indicators.
Yeah,
you could indicate a fish for tarpon, right?
You just play them.
Just play them the same. Well, there you have it. Information from Caleb this week is just play them. Thanks for watching this week, and we'll see you next week. Bye.